In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Perplexity to N8N. This process is vital for leveraging the powerful capabilities of Perplexity's AI within your N8N workflows. Whether you're aiming to automate tasks or analyze data, connecting these two platforms can be incredibly beneficial. We'll walk you through this straightforward process step by step, ensuring you have a seamless experience. We begin in N8N, the automation platform that's known for its flexibility and ease of use. Our first step involves creating a Perplexity credential in N8N. To do this, let's start by navigating to the Settings tab. This is typically found in the main dashboard of N8N. Once you're in the Settings section, you'll notice a variety of options. Here, you'll want to select Credentials. Credentials act as a secure way of storing the unique identifiers necessary for N8N to interact with external services like Perplexity. Within the Credentials section, you'll see an option to Create New. Clicking this will initiate the process of setting up your new credential. It's here that we select the type of credential appropriate for our needs. In this case, you'll want to choose Perplexity Credential. This option is specifically designed to facilitate the integration of Perplexity with N8N, allowing these platforms to communicate effectively. The next crucial step is to provide your Perplexity API key. Now, you may be wondering, what exactly is an API key? It functions as a secret token that allows N8N to authenticate itself with Perplexity. Essentially, it tells Perplexity that N8N has your permission to access its services. Without this key, the integration won't work. You should have already obtained this API key from your Perplexity account. If not, log into your Perplexity account and navigate to the API settings to generate your unique API key. Remember, it's important to keep this information confidential. Treat it with the same level of security as you would your passwords or private documents. Once you have your API key ready, simply input it into the designated field when prompted during the credential creation process in N8N. Double-check to ensure there are no typos. This is a common hurdle that can easily be avoided with a bit of extra care. After you have entered and confirmed your API key, save the credential. And there you have it. With these steps completed, you now have a Perplexity credential set up in N8N. Now, whenever you're building workflows and need to incorporate Perplexity's powerful features, you'll have this credential ready to go. This connection opens up numerous possibilities for you to automate tasks and enhance the efficiency of your operations. I hope you found this instructional video helpful and straightforward. If you have any questions or need further clarification, be sure to check the N8N documentation or reach out to their support community. Thanks for watching, and happy automating!